Let's get into the science of this. We're going to talk about how your brain actually works and actually learns, not about the way school might have pretended or tried to make you believe how it works. So there's kind of three big ideas here. Retrieval practice, it's called spaced repetition, and interleaving, maybe a new term for some of you. So let's make this real. Do you remember the knot tying lesson? Now don't look back, don't go back to that lesson. I just want you to think about it for a second, okay? And just describe it. If you need to pause it here and then just describe it out loud, go ahead, that's a good idea. Once you've paused it, come on back and we'll talk about this. Do you see how fuzzy it feels? How like your brain is kind of like, oh, I remember pieces of this, and oh, there was that thing about the racetrack and the turn, and like, oh, holding it out like this and holding it up and twirling it around. Okay, that's literally your brain doing push-ups. Okay, it's now going. Now there was some connections that were happening back then, but now that you've done it and like you've recalled it later, you're really reinforcing that. Every time you pull something out of your memory, it reinforces and it makes it stronger. If you wait, forget a little bit of what you've learned, then come back to it. If you do that process, you've got spaced repetition. Okay, that's exactly the definition of it. Forget a little bit, come back to it, and you've got that space that's needed. Interleaving, this is a new term for some of you, is the mixing of topics, okay? Or the creating variety in the structure of what you're learning. And your brain loves that variety, by the way. It doesn't like to just sit and focus. You've probably noticed this. I know I do. I have ADHD, so this is like really challenging. If someone, or if I'm watching something that it's just one singular topic and someone's talking about it a lot, I start falling asleep because my brain just gets bored really, really quickly. Maybe you're getting bored with this, I hope not. Really, we're talking about if something feels easy, you're not learning. If something feels just hard enough, that's perfect, that's the sweet spot. So we're gonna reinforce this pattern, this forget, recall, strengthen, and then repeat. Meaning, you forget the content, you don't intentionally try and forget it, but you kind of step away from it for a second, circle back to it, reinforce it again, go, oh right, that's what I do. I have to turn that around and do that, come back to it, and then you've got it solid. You could do that now if you wanted. You could now go, hey, I'm gonna go back and watch that knot tying demo that Nathan did. You're gonna see if I've learned and pick up anything new that I missed last time, try it again, and I guarantee you'll be an expert at this. At just tying knots. You might be thinking, like, that's great, Nathan. That helps me to like try to understand something that is a struggle. What about things that I don't care about? What about content that I just have no connection to, or that the motivation, even wanting to learn in the first place? Well, we're gonna talk about that. So we've just discussed how memory behaves. Now we're gonna talk about how to make your brain want to learn in the first place.